Own the room through meeting execution. Good morning, team. Here's this week's reminder. If you're running the meeting, own the room. Too many consultants confuse attendance with leadership. They show up, share a few updates, answer a few questions, and call that a good meeting. Well, that's not enough. Strong consultants know that meeting execution matters just as much as meeting preparation. Once the meeting starts, someone needs to manage the pace, guide the conversation, protect the agenda, read the room, surface the right issues, and keep the discussion moving towards a useful outcome. This is where leadership shows up. Good meeting execution means you open with clarity, you remind everyone why you're here, you frame the goal, you confirm the agenda, you manage time, you invite the right voices into the conversation, you keep the side roads from taking over, and you summarize key decisions and next steps before the meeting ends. When nobody owns the room, meetings drift. Topics blur together, strong points get buried, important decisions get delayed, and clients leave with less confidence. When someone owns the room, people feel it. The meeting has structure, the conversation feels focused, the clients feel guided, and progress gets made. This is one of the clearest ways young consultants start looking more senior. They stop waiting for the meeting to carry them, and they start carrying the meeting. So in the next meeting, don't just contribute. Help lead the flow. Help protect the outcome. Help move the room forward. This is how trust grows, this is how confidence grows, and this is how your presence grows. So this week, raise your standard. Don't just be in the meeting. Own the room. Here's your call to action. In your next meeting this week, take responsibility for at least one part of execution. Opening the meeting, guiding a section, managing time, summarizing decisions, or confirming next steps. Let's have a strong week.